The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 530. What is the first term if the last term is 80? What is the common difference? So, given ang sum, which is 530, and the number of terms is 10 terms, and the last term is 80. A sub 10 is 80. So, ang unknown is A sub 1 at saka yung common difference. So, plug in these values in this formula. So, now, given ang sum, 530, number of terms is 10, A sub 1, okay, unknown, so number of terms is 10, and the common difference is unknown. So, solving this equation, we get 106 equals to A sub 1 plus 90. This is equation 1. And then, substitute this value in this formula. So, A sub n, or the last term, is 80. A1 is unknown. And number of terms, 10. And D is unknown. Solving for this equation, we have 80 is equals to A sub 1 plus 90. So, this is equation 2. So, this is equation 1 and equation 2. Solving for A sub 1, we have elimination by subtraction. So, this yields to 0. 2 minus 1 is A sub 1. 106 minus 80 is equal to 26. So, the value of A sub 1 is equals to 26. Substitute value of A sub 1 in equation 2. So, 80 is equals to 26 plus 9D. So, the value of D is equal to 6. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is negative 12, and the seventh term is 8. What is the sum of the first 10 terms? So, ganito itsura niya. Ito yung third term, negative 12. And seventh term is 8. So, ano daw ang sum nito? First 10 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So, given ang A sub 3, which is negative 12. A sub 7 is equal to 8. And the number of terms is 10. Ayan. First 10 terms. Dito tayo mag-start. Dito sa negative 12 hanggang 8. Kasi ito yung beginning. May beginning at saka may end. Ayan. Ito muna kukunin natin value dito. Substitute natin tong 12 and 8 sa formula na to. So, magiging last term natin ay 8. Ang A sub 1 natin, or yung first term natin, ay negative 12. Number of terms is 5. Then, ang common difference ay unknown. So, kukunin natin yung common difference niya. Solving for D, D equals 5. So, ang common difference niya ay 5. So, ang common difference niya ay 5. So, start tayo dito. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. Negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12. Negative 12 minus 5 is negative 17. Negative 17 minus 5 is negative 22. So, dito naman, 8 plus 5, 13, plus 5, 18, plus 5, 23. Okay? So, pwede na natin i-substitute ang mga values na to dito sa S sub n. So, number of terms is 10. So, A sub 1 is negative 22. Ito siya. Negative 22. Number of terms is 10 and the common difference is 5. Solving S sub 10. S sub 10 is equal to 5. Sum of first 25 multiples of 8. So, multiples of 8 naman. So, mag-a-add ka ng 8. So, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32, and so on. So, ang A sub 1 mo or first term mo ay 8. Number of terms is 25 and their common difference is 8. Kasi may interval siya na 8. So, yan. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay? Then, plug in these values in this formula. Number of terms is 25. 2a sub 1, a sub 1 is 8. Number of terms 25 and common difference is 8. Solving for S sub 25 is equals to 2,600. Sum of first 12 terms, general term is A sub n is equals to 3n plus 5. So, given ang general term which is 3n plus 5. And number of terms is 12. Kukunin natin yung first term or A sub 1. If n is 1, so 3 times 1 plus 5, A sub 1 is 8. Then, kunin natin din yung last term, which is A12. If n is 12, 3 times 12 plus 5. So, A sub 12 is equals to 41. So, this is the first term and this is the last term. Substitute na natin ito dito sa formula. Number of terms is 12. A sub 1 is 8 and last term is 41. Solving for S sub 12. S sub 12 equals 294.